Homemade hair mask for silky, shiny, and thick hair. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super nourishing homemade hair mask that promotes silky, shiny, and thick hair, all using simple kitchen ingredients. This is a natural remedy that not only improves the texture of your hair, but also supports overall hair health. So why is this mask so effective? Well, it contains iron and protein, which are two of the most essential nutrients required for healthy hair growth. Without these, our hair tends to become weak, prone to breakage, and lacks that lustrous shine we all love. Using this hair mask regularly can reduce breakage and damage significantly. If you're consistent and use it just once a week, you'll definitely start to notice a visible difference in your hair's volume, shine, and smoothness over time. Let's dive into the ingredients now. We'll start by taking 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Just 2 simple, powerhouse ingredients to start with. Oh, and before we move on, if you're enjoying this kind of content and want to support the channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow and continue sharing these natural beauty tips with you. Coming back to our ingredients, flax seeds are incredibly rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are known to boost hair growth, reduce dryness, and add shine to your locks. Fenugreek seeds, on the other hand, are a rich source of iron and protein, just what your hair needs to stay strong and healthy. These are the key building blocks that support hair strength and growth from the roots. Let's move to the next step. Take a small pan and add both ingredients into it. Now, add 1 cup of water to the pan. These 2 ingredients are among the most effective natural remedies for hair growth, and combining them allows their nutrients to fully blend and activate. Turn on the heat and let this mixture simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to boil it aggressively. Just a nice, gentle simmer is enough to release all the nutrients into the water. As it cooks, you'll notice the water turning a bit thicker and slightly gel-like. That's when you know it's done. Now that it's ready, go ahead and switch off the flame. Let the mixture cool down completely before moving to the next step. This is important because grinding hot ingredients can be a bit messy and even risky. Once it's cooled, put the mixture into a grinder. Now go ahead and grind it into a smooth, fine paste. After grinding, it's time to strain the mixture using a fine strainer, or even a muslin cloth if that's what you have handy. Now, here's something interesting. Fenugreek seeds don't just contain iron and protein. They're also loaded with a unique combination of plant compounds like flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are believed to stimulate hair growth and are great for overall scalp health due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. That means they don't just nourish your hair, but also help fight scalp issues like dandruff and irritation. Next, pour the strained mixture into a clean bowl. To this, add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Then, Add 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt. Yogurt is amazing for hair. It's packed with protein, which acts as a natural conditioner and strengthens your hair from within. Now mix everything together really well until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Let's talk about the honey for a moment. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it one of the best natural moisturizers for your hair. Emollients help to smooth your hair follicles, adding that beautiful shine to dull and tired strands. Humectants, on the other hand, draw moisture from the air and lock it into your hair, which is exactly what dry, brittle hair needs. Now, add 8 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil to the mixture. Vitamin E is a powerhouse when it comes to restoring hair shine and softness. When combined with honey and yogurt, it forms a deeply hydrating and repairing hair mask. Alright, now that our mask is ready, let's talk about how to use it for the best results. Make sure you apply this pack before washing your hair. That way, you can rinse it off easily and follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. Start by sectioning your hair. This helps ensure that the hair mask is applied evenly and covers both your scalp and hair strands. It's a good idea to divide your hair into 3 to 4 sections using clips. This way, you can make sure that each part of your hair gets the nourishment it needs. When applying the mask, focus especially on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, since these areas tend to be the driest and most damaged. Gently massage the mask in a downward motion for about 30 seconds. This helps the product to penetrate the hair cuticle and lock in all that natural goodness, leaving your hair smoother and shinier. Hair masks like this one are filled with powerful, nourishing ingredients that restore the right amount of moisture, helping to repair damaged strands and improve texture. Now, leave this mask on for about 45 minutes. This gives your hair plenty of time to soak up all the nutrients. After that, it's time to rinse your hair thoroughly. Make sure you rinse well so that your hair doesn't feel weighed down or greasy afterward. This mask is actually one of the most recommended natural remedies for reducing hair fall. It's gentle, effective, and safe for all hair types. So do give this hair mask a try and see the difference for yourself. And once you've tried it, we'd love to hear your feedback. Share your experience in the comments below. Did it make your hair feel softer, shinier, or fuller? Let us know. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty and hair care tips.